BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's September 23rd, 2021. My name's Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. The FOMO index is up to 27 from yesterday's 21. And Nosy Miss Noose bombs social media market sentiment in a rent-controlled apartment in Queens is at 68%. Bitcoin dominance is 41.8%. The 24-hour volume is at 113 billion. The overall market cap is 1.98 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, looks like our green-colored glasses of optimism and hope helped us get on that rusty, slimy rally ladder we talked about yesterday. Over on the 4-hour chart, the rungs have fallen into place real proper like. And after geez, I don't knowing itself at 42.5, that crucial level we wanted to hold, price action cruised through our rung at 42.9 and did the textbook retest, gave her a couple of dad knocks to make sure she's sturdy, then continued on up to check for razor blades on the ladder rung of 43.8. Are you sure you just didn't touch the 20 moving average? 'Cause it's slimy and scaly, all right. Oh yeah, Bitcoin said it was the 20 moving average. Thanks, younger cousin. Let's do this. So they put their feet up and over the 20 moving average and are currently looking for that 44.5 rung. Now I'd like to see a textbook retest of that 20 moving average, back down at 43.1. Just to dot some technical I's and cross some fundamental T's. Now, before I was a dad, I only wanted price action to go up forever and never retest or any of that boring, uninteresting BS dads like to see. But I would also drive my car without oil, thinking that it never needed any more, and it would just drive forever. Both great lessons in patience and naivety one learns the hard way. After a textbook retest, it'll be clear skies for Bitcoin back up to 43.8 and onward to 44.5. And then 45.6, where we will meet up with our Ivy League brother home from college, the 200 moving average over on the daily. And what a perfect time to look at the daily. Remember yesterday we said it was trying to one-up the 4-hour chart with a bullish engulfing candle of its own? Well, Bob's your uncle. There she is. We even have, so far that is, a confirmation green candle after it, but that could change if we see a retest back down to 43.8. And of course, that is the 38% fib flavor country, where you come for the robust Fibonacci flavors and leave with a sense of melancholy satisfaction. Now, this piano's opinion of the next couple days is high volatility, to say the least. There's a few perfect storms on the horizon, which are a 60s hippie breeding ground of dissonance and unpredictability. For starters, we have DJ expired options on the 1s and 2s this Friday at the abandoned Cinnabons by the airport. Always a banger. As well, we have a double whammy of the 200 and the 20 moving average up at 45.5. That is if we get to 45.5. And although it could all be headwinds for price action as it approaches it as resistance, I prefer to put on my green-colored glasses of optimism and hope and say that it could be the perfect storm we need to release the hounds and chase that parabolic rabbit up the crypto dream trees. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Whoa. Ch-ch-ch.